Welcome to our captivating exploration of AI and robotics, the rise of intelligent machines. In this comprehensive video, we will embark on a fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence and robotics, where cutting-edge technologies are reshaping our present and redefining our future. Join us as we unravel the potential, challenges, and impact of intelligent machines in our society. Over the years, we've witnessed remarkable progress in the fields of AI and robotics. Intelligent machines have become increasingly sophisticated, capable of complex tasks, learning from data, and adapting to dynamic environments. From humanoid robots to autonomous vehicles, from smart virtual assistants to advanced medical technologies, the convergence of AI and robotics is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live and work. AI and robotics have found their way into various domains. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons with precise procedures, while AI-powered diagnostic systems aid in early disease detection. In manufacturing, robots streamline production processes, enhancing efficiency and quality. In transportation, self-driving cars are paving the way for a future of autonomous mobility. And in everyday life, AI-driven virtual assistants like smart speakers and chatbots have become our reliable companions. The rise of intelligent machines brings with it a myriad of benefits. AI and robotics can tackle dangerous and repetitive tasks, improving safety and freeing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. They can enhance precision and accuracy, leading to more reliable outcomes. Moreover, intelligent machines hold the potential to augment human capabilities, enabling us to achieve feats previously unimaginable. Imagine a world where robots assist firefighters in hazardous rescue missions, drones deliver medical supplies to remote areas, and AI algorithms optimize energy consumption to reduce carbon footprints. The possibilities are boundless. With AI and robotics, we have the potential to address pressing global challenges and create a future that is safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. However, this technological revolution also poses significant challenges. As AI and robotics advance, ethical considerations become paramount. Questions arise about the impact on employment, the potential for algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making. Striking a balance between innovation and responsibility is crucial to ensure that these technologies align with our societal values and respect human rights. Let's delve deeper into these challenges. The increasing integration of AI and robotics in various industries raises concerns about job displacement. As machines take over repetitive and manual tasks, it is natural to wonder about the impact on employment. However, history has shown that technological advancements often create new job opportunities and drive economic growth. By upskilling and reskilling the workforce, we can adapt to the changing landscape and harness the potential of AI and robotics to create meaningful and fulfilling work. Another critical challenge is algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, it can perpetuate and amplify existing inequalities. For example, biased facial recognition systems have shown higher error rates for certain ethnic groups, reflecting the underlying biases in the training data. To address this, it is crucial to ensure diverse and representative data sets. By cultivating diversity in the AI field and involving diverse stakeholders in decision-making processes, we can create more equitable and unbiased AI systems. Transparency is also a significant concern in the development and deployment of AI systems. The black box nature of some AI algorithms raises questions about accountability and the ability to understand and challenge the outcomes. It is essential to ensure that AI systems are explainable and accountable. Explainable AI methods, such as interpretable algorithms and model interpretability techniques, can provide insights into the decision-making process of AI systems. By establishing clear guidelines for transparency and involving stakeholders in AI development, we can mitigate risks and foster trust in intelligent machines. Privacy is another key ethical consideration. As AI algorithms rely on vast amounts of personal data, protecting individual privacy becomes paramount. The collection, storage, and use of personal data must be conducted transparently and with explicit consent. Robust security measures should safeguard against unauthorized access, data breaches, and misuse. By prioritizing privacy by design principles, organizations can build trust and ensure that AI systems uphold privacy as a fundamental ethical consideration. Addressing these ethical dilemmas requires collaboration among various stakeholders. Researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public must come together to shape the development, deployment, and regulation of AI and robotics. Establishing ethical frameworks, addressing bias, promoting transparency, and safeguarding privacy are vital in building a future where intelligent machines serve the greater good. The responsible integration of AI and robotics into our society also requires us to consider the broader societal and global implications. AI technologies should not only serve the interests of a few but should be harnessed for the collective benefit of humanity. Global collaboration is essential to ensure that AI is developed in a manner that respects cultural diversity and addresses the needs and values of different societies. Education and awareness play a significant role in promoting ethical AI practices. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive, it is crucial to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills to understand AI's ethical implications and make informed decisions. This includes fostering AI literacy, promoting critical thinking, and encouraging interdisciplinary education that combines technical knowledge with ethical and social perspectives. In conclusion, the rise of intelligent machines in the form of AI and robotics presents both exciting opportunities and complex challenges. By addressing bias, privacy, transparency, and other ethical considerations, we can create AI systems that promote societal well-being and align with our shared values. As AI continues to shape our world, let's work together to ensure that it serves as a force for positive change, respects human rights, and fosters a more inclusive and equitable society. As we witness the rise of intelligent machines, let us embark on this transformative journey with curiosity, responsibility, and a commitment to creating a future where AI and robotics enhance human potential and improve the well-being of all. Join us as we explore the remarkable world of AI and robotics, the rise of intelligent machines.